So recently I made a video where I went to the junkyard. This past Saturday they had the $75 all-you-carry deal. These were the Suzuki taillights that I picked up during that. Now you can see they're wet. I actually just gave them a little quick wipe down, but they still are quite faded. I mean, they're very dull looking. So one thing that I found helps out is taking a little bit of TLC. In this case, I'm going to use a very cheap but decent the Pittsburgh lens renewal system. You pair that with a cordless drill or a corded drill, whatever, and it should shine these up pretty good. So one of these was broken. This one's a cracked one right there, you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to polish up this one first. I ended up polishing both, but let's polish up the good one first and let's compare. And it'll probably only take about 10 minutes. It's a very quick process, and I think it will definitely help, or it definitely has helped in my opinion, with my eBay sales, because I can then ask a little bit higher price because it's in better condition. So something to consider, but let's do this. So before I get started, let me just give a quick run through. I got some 500 grit pads, 800. I think these are 3,000. It says this is the chuck that you'll use. It's got a Velcro back, so everything just kind of attaches to. And this is the final buffer pad here. It also comes with masking tape, which we will not be using today, and then the polishing compound. Basically, you just go through the steps: 500, 800, 1,000, then you buff it. Each time, apply a couple of dabs of this, and you're good. So there you go. We're going to run through this, so it won't take long. And thanks for tuning in, watching and all that stuff. Right, that took right under 6 minutes. I did 2 coats of the polishing at the end. There's the old one and there's the new one. And I don't know, you can really tell in this video the difference. It's not huge. It's not like it's this night and day thing, but there's definitely a contrast between the two, where the one that I've done looks way better. And even if you feel it, you may have seen me in the video kind of just like rubbing the two pieces. It just feels so much smoother. Doesn't have the built up, I don't say grime because I kind of cleaned up already, but it's just kind of rougher. And it's not that it's gritty, but it's just a little bit rougher. Then when you feel this, it's like clean glass. So let's just call it 6 minutes, and that included, getting everything ready. 6 minutes, that one's done. I'll take another 6 and do the other. And now, hopefully, I can request a little bit higher asking price, and even if they counter, I'm better off. But take a few minutes when you get a part that you're getting from the junkyard. Take a few minutes, clean it up really nice, apply some conditioner to it, leather conditioner or something if needed. Drive your price up a little bit. And this kit was, again, like 10 bucks. It wasn't very much. I've used these before. I can get multiple uses out of one. I mean, obviously these 2 lenses I will do on this one, and I'll still have leftover polishing compounds, so it's not just a one-time deal. Well worth the $10. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for tuning in.